How's it going everyone? Welcome to Learn with Seb. In this video I'll show you how to delete your iPhone search history and website data. This will work on iPhone 10 and above and iOS 12 Plus. Firstly, go to Settings, scroll down to Safari, then navigate down and you will see Clear History and Website Data. Tap this option and this will remove all cookies, data and searches you have conducted. If you want to see your history before you delete it, then click on Advanced and tap Website Data. Here you can delete individual items or delete everything by clicking Remove All Website Data. I'll just go back to the main Safari settings and tap Clear History and Website Data. Now when you check the website data, it should have 0 bytes and it should all be gone. If you have multiple tabs open in Safari, then these will also be deleted. Now this just deletes the data in Safari. If you use Google Chrome, then click on the Chrome app, click on the 3 dots on the bottom right hand corner, then tap History, tap Clear Browsing Data at the bottom, select the options you would like to delete, then tap Clear Browsing Data and tap to confirm. If you click Done, you'll see your browsing history on your iPhone Chrome app will be gone. There you go. If you found this video useful, feel free to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.